St. John's Ukrainian Church was the site for a large gathering of the Ukrainian peoples.
The Ukrainian community has been part of the Folk Arts Festival since 1967. Obviously, the last 2.5 years have been difficult on everyone. We haven't had anything happen, but fortunately this year we've been able to open up our doors again to the public and invite everybody to come and participate in our cultural festival with our food, our costumes, our traditions, everything, and music. No dancing this year for reasons that we thought would be better, that keep a low profile because of what's happening in Ukraine. We debated about having the festival, but we want people to know about it, and we want the community to know that Ukrainians are coming here, and we wanted them to introduce them to the community and the community to them.
And why the open house format?
It gets in the most people. It gets people to associate with one another, not just Ukrainians, but the general public, be they any nationality or ethnic group. And it's a nice way to interact with everyone in the community. So the program was obviously with introductions, welcoming our dignitaries from all levels of government, also presenting the new Ukrainians that have come here. But at the same time, right now we're having speeches. There's Ukrainian singing, Ukrainian playing. We have the accordion, the bandura, the tsimbale, which is a traditional Ukrainian instrument, and just basically fun entertainment for everyone. We have beautiful Ukrainian clothing. I bought this dress today because looking at it, I couldn't say no. There are shirts, there are baby clothes, children's, adults, beautiful hand-embroidered shirts and dresses, and there are vendors selling Ukrainian Easter eggs, Ukrainian handmade embroidered pillows and everything else of that nature, and just giving people generally information about what we offer in the community. Ukrainian school, Ukrainian youth groups, churches, everything.
With the conflict happening in Ukraine, this show of community support is very timely.
We all know what's going on in Ukraine right now with the war, and these people, most of them have come here with families, or they're on their own, and they have fled, and some of them have nowhere to go back to. Their houses have been blown apart, some areas. Others are in danger of the same thing. So they've come seeking refuge. Canada has opened its doors to these people. They're here for at least 3 years. They have a choice of returning or applying to stay here if they choose. Our biggest concern now, we have jobs for them. Our biggest concern, of course, as I've mentioned, is housing. Finding apartments, finding volunteer homes for a while, getting them settled, getting them to feel comfortable and not traumatized, because some of them are still traumatized from the war. So it is important for us to have this for them so that they can come here and meet other Ukrainians that have just arrived from Ukraine.
If you would like to support Ukrainian newcomers or make a general donation, you can contact the Ukrainian Canadian Congress at 289-686-0033. Reporting for The Source, I'm Anthony Luongo.